Want to transform your closet and make it as comfortable and functional as possible? Then this video is for you. Hi friends, and welcome to my channel OrgaNatic. I have collected the best tricks for organizing your wardrobe, which will help you not only effectively use the available space, but also easily find the things you need. And now, let's get started. If you store shoes on a shelf, you'll like this idea. To fit more pairs, you'll need 2 tension rods. Install one rod lower and further back on the shelf, and the second one higher and closer to the front. This creates 2 levels for storing your shoes. Using the shelf is now much more convenient, and all the shoes are visible and easily accessible. By the way, you can use tension rods to organize many things at home. I have a whole video on my channel with lots of ideas for organizing with tension rods. Be sure to watch this video to the end, because I will give you a link to that useful video. Storing thin sweaters can be a real headache. If you hang them on hangers, they can stretch and lose their shape. If you put them on a shelf, it's even worse, because as soon as you take one out, the others fall and get mixed up. But I have a trick for you, and you don't even need to spend money on special organizers. Take a regular paper gift bag, cut it to the desired height, and fold the edges inward. Now you can stack all your thin sweaters in here and place the organizer on a shelf. Finding the right item is simple, and if you pull out one sweater, the others will stay in place and the shelf will always be tidy. You can also place an organizer like this in a drawer to create structure there. We've all been there. You are packing for a trip, carefully folding clothes into your suitcase, and upon arrival you find that everything is wrinkled. What do you do if there is no iron handy, but you need to look your best? No problem if you have a hair straightener. Today I'll show you an unusual but effective way to deal with wrinkled clothes. Let's test together if a hair straightener can handle this cotton shirt. After the straightener has heated up, I'll carefully run it over the collar and then the rest of the shirt. Of course, using a regular iron would be easier and faster, but in a pinch, a hair straightener can be a real lifesaver. This magnetic strip is a recent purchase, but it has already come in handy several times. It's sold in rolls, so you can cut off as much as you need. One side is adhesive, so this strip can be attached to the inside of a closet door or simply on the wall. Now you can organize any small metal items here, like hairpins or magnetic jewelry. This method is very convenient because it takes up little space while keeping your closet tidy. And if the strip is no longer needed, it can be easily removed. I can't believe I've gone my whole life without knowing this. You can conveniently store skirts and pants with 2 binder clips. Here's how it works. Take a hanger and attach the clips to the crossbar. That's it! Now you can store a skirt or pants here. Of course, this works best on sturdy fabrics that won't be damaged by the clips. You can also take it a step further. If you attach several binder clips, this hanger setup is also great for storing accessories. You can clip them on or hang them by their loops. Usually we don't have a lot of extra space in our dressing rooms or closet areas. They can be tight and every inch counts. What if I told you there is a way to add beautiful functional lighting to even the tightest corner without adding any clutter? So let me introduce you to a brilliant solution: the tree-floor lamp by Kovi. It has a modern minimalist design with a cool tree-shaped structure, a sturdy base and 3 separate lamp heads, making it perfect for fitting into tight spots. What's really impressive is that each of these 3 lamp arms can rotate 350 degrees horizontally and 90 degrees vertically. This means you have total control over where the light goes. I'll place it right here in the living room next to this picture on the wall. How cool is that? I can point one lamp at the picture to highlight it beautifully. I'll aim the second one towards the ceiling for bright overall light. And I can use this third one towards the next wall with a soft glow. What I especially like about this lamp is that the light is soft and diffused. You can adjust the color temperature from a warm cozy yellow to a bright cool white, perfect for seeing true colors. But honestly, you can use this lamp in any room. And this is where it gets really creative, because you can actually layer the lights to create some cool effects. The three lights work together to create these incredible flowing animations. The Kovi app has 64 preset scenes, so with one tap I can change the entire vibe of the room. Here's a calming sunset effect, and here's a fun one called Candy Cane. The tree-flow lamp features Kovi's LumiBlend technology, delivering beautifully accurate colors, especially in soft, low-saturation tones. It's designed to effortlessly match your home decor style. The lamp works with Alexa and Google Assistant. You can also set timers and schedules in the Kovi app, so the light can wake you up gently in the morning and create a relaxing mood in the evening. This Kovi tree-floor lamp is so much more than just a light source. It's a flexible, creative and smart way to bring light and personality to those forgotten corners. I'll leave a link for you to check it out in the description below. Long puffy coats can be a real challenge in a closet. If there isn't enough space, they get in the way and make the closet inconvenient to use. How about this idea? Zip up the puffy coat, take the zipper pull, and loop it over the hanger hook. You're done! This way the puffy coat will only take up half the vertical space, and you won't need any special storage devices. And what about clothes that don't have a zipper, for example a long coat? It's very simple. To store it compactly you'll need two hangers. Hang the coat on one hanger. Then fold the bottom of the coat up and drape it over the bar of the second hanger. You can then loop the second hanger over the hook of the first. If you don't have a fabric shaver, this idea will be useful. To tidy up clothes, a pumice stone will also do the trick. Carefully rub it over the surface of the garment to remove peeling, and it will look much better. There are many ways to store jeans in the closet, and one is folding them on the crossbar of a hanger. But the problem is that if the crossbar is sleek, the pants can slide around and even fall off. But what if you use a children's hanger? They are much narrower and will hold your pants more securely. Plus, they take up less space in the closet. A shower cap can help you out in various situations. For example, if you need to pack a pair of shoes, use a shower cap to cover the soles. This way the soles won't get other things dirty and the shoes can be put in a suitcase. This method is also suitable for closet storage if you don't want to clean the soles every time before putting the shoes away. Using identical hangers in the closet isn't just aesthetically pleasing, it also helps you use the available space more efficiently. When all hangers are the same, clothes hang evenly, which makes it easier to find the right item. But what about clothes that require thicker hangers? It's very simple. Use a hanger cover like this and the garment will be stored more delicately. This trick helps accommodate specific garments and keeps the closet looking uniform, neat and pleasing to the eye. These small gadgets are indispensable for maximizing storage space in a closet. Simply slip one of these hooks over the neck of a hanger and you can then hang another hanger from it. You can even chain several together, thereby significantly saving space on the clothes rod. This simple trick will help you use the precious space in your closet more efficiently. It's very convenient to have a kit like this in your closet: a battery-operated fabric shaver, a lint roller, scissors, and a small sewing kit. This way, when you are getting ready to go, you can quickly cut a tag from new clothes, remove peeling, clean off lint or hair, or sew on a button that has come off. This kit helps me out constantly, so the closet is the most convenient place to store these helpers. Chaos can easily take over a drawer if there is no storage structure. I like to use drawer dividers like this to organize things. These dividers come into two types. The first is spring-loaded. You just insert it between the walls and it will be securely installed. The second type works like this. Extend the partition to the desired size, close the latch and install it in the drawer. Now you can neatly arrange things in their sections and the drawer will always be tidy. There are many ways to store bulky sweaters, and perhaps the simplest is storing them on a shelf. As a rule of thumb for organizing, if you store sweaters on a shelf, it's best to have a maximum of 3 in a stack. This is the optimal number to conveniently take out a sweater without disrupting the entire pile. And if you want to optimize vertical space, use a stacking shelf insert like this. If you'd like to plan your closet or kitchen, check out my recent video. It's a simple beginner's guide. And if you found these hacks helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Bye bye!